Two highlights in one, both will be short. Number one, option expiration, quadruple witching. We're going to have them as you go throughout your trading career. Understand it's people that have to do stuff that otherwise wouldn't have to do stuff. The options expire, the contracts expire altogether. It's like rollover in these futures contracts. So it creates some chop, maybe a move out of nowhere. And so you got to factor that in. We did get moves. Here's the second highlight. Know what's driving the market. So you've got four states, three or four states, Florida, Texas, Arizona, maybe California, that are getting hotter COVID-19 cases. Know when they report, know what they're reporting. Now, Arizona had the best move right in here. When I say best, I don't mean to be insensitive, but the market isn't insensitive. It goes down on jumps in this number, up 29%. That was a pretty big number to accelerate the move lower. But it's not going to last forever because it's kind of one of those um, state by state. Does it get better? Does the market get where we're doing the first run, the second run, and can we get on the other side of the second wave? The market, we track and chart price, whether it's stocks or futures, and what epidemiologists and all the rest are trying to do is chart cases and strip out some of the noise compared to yesterday, compared to a 7-day moving average of it. But whether or not we make a higher high, you look for the second failure. Second failure usually is going to have some more long-lasting effects. So with all these states reopening, it never was the goal to have zero cases, zero fatalities. They knew we were going to get a bump. And so strip out the noise, understand what's driving the market. Right now, it's these states. In a week or two from now, it may or may not be those states. Could be other states, could be a lot better because these states show a rebound, meaning the second wave fails to go through and we start to get on the other side of it. You also you have to consider more tests, more cases, and strip out here as we're talking hospitalizations. I believe in New York is below 1,300, and they remain on track for phase 2 on Monday. So some positive news, but not what the market's driving and watching. It's Florida, Texas, Arizona, and Florida came out and they had a miss today that was first downside of 3.4%, and then they said nope, that was a mistake. It's 4.5%. There was opportunity in understanding what's driving the market and that there was a miss or a mistake. The biggest one was because of the biggest miss, and that was Arizona. That came out in this time frame. You don't have to trade it. You don't have to catch it. But you want to minimize how many times you say why. Why did this happen? Why did that happen? Ask the question why, but get to the answer. Have a good weekend, have a safe weekend, and remember, are people going to be less comfortable like last Friday going into the weekend long? Quadruple witching can change all that. I would say not as worried as last Friday because that was one day after the huge decline, 1,800 Dow points on 8 days ago. So we're not right behind that, but it's still some poor numbers coming out of these states. So it gets people a little less likely if they have to buy, maybe just to wait till Monday so you run out of buyers. Quadruple witching, though, will spike again, shoot up a lot of volume in the last hour. Be safe. Keep your hands off your face.